Here we are, getting ready for the, just prepping up for the installation of these sills now. Everything's all lined up. So yeah, so just got to plate all this off. Done my best to get some rust protection in on the inside before it's closed off. So I'm just going to get cracking and get all of this plated off. As you can see, it's supposed to be double skinned anyway, so rather than plating it off from the inside, which I still might do anyway as well, but for now I'm just going to plate it off all the way along, get that done as quickly as I can, and then crack on with the outside. Fingers crossed everything goes smoothly. We'll catch up soon. Yep, it's going good so far. Just getting these plates in here. First two, probably a third, possibly a fourth along there somewhere, but I'm not sure. But yeah, it's going good. I'm happy. All nice and solid again. Just an example of some nice beadwork, but you know, no one's going to see it, it's going to be covered up. That's better. So, yeah, just cracking on. I had to put this line in here for these panels, so because this line's my line for me outer sill. So if it have come down too close to this line, I'd have scuppered being able to weld me outer sill in place properly. So I'm glad I took that into consideration first. But yeah, cracking on. Get that last panel in shortly, and then we can start thinking about the outside once I've covered the outside in rust protection. Happy days. Catch up soon.